In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood bumpers on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. To take the old one off, I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here and just try to pry up, and it comes right up. It's just clipped in on the sides. You can compare it to the new one. You want to get the same height. Maybe this has been compressed a little bit, so it's always better to tighten this down a little, have it shorter. And we'll install it, just line it up, lock it in place. Now we're going to close the hood. And you want to just check, see if it looks like it's loose. It's a little bit looser on this side. See if everything lines up. So we want to raise that up a little bit. So just give it a couple turns and check it again. And if you went too much, then pop the hood again and tighten it down. Otherwise, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.